chasing. Well, I'm trying to, because I'm trying to, what I'm trying to do is get it up and bring it into balance point. And what I'm doing is slowly giving it more gas to get it up there. Come on. Straight chase. I don't know. I'm definitely chasing those. That's all I can say. I'm trying to chase it into balance point and then slow it down if I can. Okay, comparison to day one, I think we're in a lot better shape than what we were. I don't know, man, like fucking social media is nice. I like keeping up with what people are up to, but it also sucks too, because like when you see, you know, people who are ahead of you, or you follow other stunters and they're killing it, and like you're right at the beginning, I mean, you could be like, yeah, don't give a fuck about what other people are doing, which easier said than done, because, you know, you want to be up there, and then when you have to come practice and stuff, and you just maybe have a bad day, you're not getting it, and then you just start overthinking everything, which is something I struggle with. I mean, come on, bro. I think that's still chase to me, because you could hear her revving out there, but if anybody like stumbles upon this specific episode, the only thing I have done to this is the straight up pumps oil pickup mod and a 14 tooth front sprocket. It's the JT 249 14 tooth. Not the 252, it's the 249. That's the correct spline depth. I haven't done any, I mean, there's Elite Mototech clutch and bars, and these janky ass bar ends and mirrors and stuff, but that's it. No like other engine components besides those things. I don't know, I like how the clutch feels. It maybe for like once I get into second gears and I can pop it up while I'm rolling, even in first, then I might need springs, but for now it's got plenty of pop. If you have the right technique, you can throw this thing straight on the 12 bar right at the beginning. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Which I shouldn't have done anyway. I should have just gone out. But I don't know, sometimes I rode Monday through Wednesday. Oh, I don't know if that got on the camera, but that was a wet one. I rode Monday through Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, sorry. Took Wednesday, Thursday off. Now ride today, tomorrow, and then Sunday might maybe sneak one in the morning, but I gotta go down to school and grab some more stuff, so I might have to take that day off. But we'll see. I think my ass was in the wrong spot. Imagine I hit a scrape today. That would be insane. I couldn't see. Sent it back too far. Oh, I don't like that. just not wanting that. And I tried to bring my feet up, which I brought my leg onto the peg, and I ended up just like trying to steer with my arms, and that was bad. I need to, once I master it with the leg down, then we can bring it up.
Hottest stash in the carpet. Yeah, we trapping out apartments. I ain't done where you start shit.